Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In case if you want to draw hands like this or if you are practicing on hands drawing, keep watching this video because I am going to share step-by-step process how to draw and shade hands. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prax Art Gallery. I am Prax and I do graphite and charcoal pencil drawing. So now let's jump into the video. First of all, we will draw the outline. For any sort of drawing, the outline is very important, and in case if you struggle to draw hands outline in any of the gesture, I have already created a video. I'll give you the link in the description box and you can check out that. Using that one technique, you can draw hands, be it in any gesture, within very quick. Now, if we talk about tools, I am mainly using this 2B, 4B, 6B and 8B pencils. Apart from that, I am using this blending Stump, Tombow mono eraser and this charcoal pencil. In case if you do not have a charcoal pencil, it's completely fine. I thought of, while I was starting this drawing, I thought of using the charcoal pencil for the darker values. But I ended up actually using 3H pencil for my lighter values because this Faber Castell 2B 4B itself was very dark. So in case if you do not have charcoal pencil, it's completely fine. So here first of all I am using 2B pencil to give a base layer and trying to ensure that based on my reference photo, wherever there is a dark area or the shadows are coming a little bit extra, I am giving a shade compared to the other area. To show the depth within the palm, I am using this darker line, and around that dark line I am giving a lighter shade so that it will show depth. If we just simply give a line and do not shade around it, it will simply look like very flat. So keep that in mind. Now I'll be using this 4B pencil to darken the darker areas. As I'm a beginner and I'm facing a lot of challenges and learning and trying to overcome all those, I try to share all those details in my videos so that anyone who is at the beginner's level can definitely get benefited out of it. In case if you have any suggestion, you can give it in the comment box, and if in case you like my content, consider subscribing. It will give me a lot of motivation to make such videos, and also you will also not miss out any videos which can be helpful for you in the coming future. Now, since based on my reference photo, there is some light nearby this palm area, so I'm using Tombow mono zero eraser to give a little highlight. And as you know that I use this pickup brush for blending. Since this is a textured paper, the blending may not be quite smooth and we can still see the texture, and that's completely fine because that's the property of a textured paper. That's how I wanted it to be. Now I'll repeat the same process in rest of the hand and the fingers, and especially giving more attention when I draw the nails which is going to come there, because nails are also we need to shade. Sometimes we don't shade nail properly and that doesn't look the part of hand, so we have to shade that properly, and for that we can use the lighter grade pencil. So now I'm using this 3H pencil because the 2B pencil itself was getting very darker and I wanted some lighter shade nearby the nail area and on the nail area. That's why I'm using this 3H pencil. In case if you do not have any F or H pencil like a 3H, 2H, you can use HB pencil also. Just keep in mind that you have to keep very light pressure or no pressure. Just simply just glide it on the paper and do not apply any pressure, and that will work. So one thing I noticed while I was editing this video, that the light direction was not very appropriate, especially for this step, because right now my light source was top left, and since I had already shaded the left part of it, it is giving me glare because this is graphite and it doesn't look very crisp and clear. But in reality, this this hand drawing till here looks very appropriate and crisp, but somehow because of the light and the graphite shine, it is not giving that look. You will get to see the actual drawing in couple of minutes, but in case if you want to skip to the content where the actual drawing is shown without any glare, you can skip to 11:07. But I would recommend not to skip so that you will not miss out any step-by-step process. And the reason also I did not remove these clips from the video because I wanted to show you the step-by-step process. I hope you're able to see the difference when the glare was there, how it was showing up, and when there is no glare, how good it is looking, the drawing overall. But the process was still the same. I used all the same process. If you have seen those steps well and good. One another thing which is very important, which I have learned in last 1 year, is the background of any drawing. Generally, we as a beginner don't focus much on the background, but it is very important for any drawing to actually pop up on your paper. So that's why one should, definitely try drawing backgrounds. It's not necessary that you have to perfectly draw the exact background which is there in the reference, but some sort of shading, if you put in the background, your drawing will look even better. So like in this case, I have used 2B pencil to just give a little shade to the background, and I have then blended it with the help of tissue paper, and you can see how the overall drawing looks. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and in case you have enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.